Hello. So in the previous video, we looked at using collect with a vector. So I'm not going to show that again, but what we're going to look at here is using step by and the options that you can use with it. So first off, we're going to do let my vec. So just that's the name of my variable. Vec i32 doesn't have to be. It could be for this purposes. It could actually be u8. Let's change that. 0.9, so that's the range. If you're coming from a Python background, you would typically use range. It's upper bound exclusive, so if you want to use 9 or include 9 as well, I'll show you that in the next example on lines 5 and 6. For now though, we're just going to step by. Step by is basically an increment. Here we can see it creates an iterator starting at the same point, but stepping by the given amount at each iteration. What we're going to do is then collect, and that will put all of those values into my vec, and then we will print it. So answers on a postcard, what will this print out? Should print out 036, 036 I think, from memory. Yeah. Okay. Next example. Similar. The one difference being I've put in an equals there. So if we run that, we should get 036 and 9 because it includes 9. It's no longer upper bound exclusive, it's upper bound inclusive, if that's how you say it. 0369. So this is very similar to Python. If you're coming from a Python background, it's similar to what you can do with slicing. Right, third example. Upper bound inclusive again, we're using the equals. Step by. So you just specify the grey is auto-filled by Rest Analyzer, so you can just put in 3 there. If I just, step by 3. You type in 3 and the step gets filled by Rest Analyzer. Take 2. So take 2 is only actually going to take the first 2 from that sequence and put those into the vector. So that should give us 0 and 3, and then it will ignore anything after. 0 and 3. Good. Okay, so what will this one give us? 0 up to 9 in steps of 3, so that's 0, 3, 6, 9. Skip 2. Any ideas? So that should skip 0 and 3, so it should give us 6 and 9. Yep. What if I change that to 12? That should give us 6, 9, and 12. Yeah. So we've used step and collect throughout. That example we used take, so we just took the first 2. This one we skip the first 2, so take and skip are kind of the opposite of each other. And finally, if we want to reverse it, we've got rev. Rev will allow you to reverse it before you insert it into the vector. So 0 up to 9, so that's actually just going to go for, in steps of 2, 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. So reverse it, so it should be 8, 6, 4, 2, 0. Let's check it. And we've got an error. Might be, I think that's probably due to Code Runner. Yeah, 86420. So there we go. Probably I'll put these in Rust Playground and you can experiment with them in Rust Playground. I always do that in the video description. So if you're finding those useful, let me know and I'll keep doing that. So thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.